Oh, it's so warm. So hot. Look at the big one.
Oh no.
Oh boy.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh.
Pushes you back, doesn't it?
Oh, there's quite a tidal wave here.
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh my god.
Right in it already.
Oh my god, and now I'm this way.
My butt's on the ground.
So much for the
Peaceful tranquility.
tranquil. Oh gosh. All right, P. 1, 2, 3. How good did that feel?
That felt great. Oh,
Nothing like the first dunk in the warm seawater.
this is so warm, isn't it?
Oh, it's perfect.
And it's like October. This place, this is one of the best parts about this part of the Pacific.
Yeah?
Because normally Pacific water is fucking cold.
Okay.